Dude, your head looks huge in the
fucking big. I got a big head already. That's something that just zooms it in.
Dang.
You told me blue. So.
$20 are blue.
Deal. We gotta shake on it first.
If we can even get them to light up. I think this battery's dead. It's gotta be dead. Where's a battery when I need one? Goodness.
You got a truck battery.
Yeah, I'll talk about it. But they're usually like 4 parts.
Little lever right there. You gotta be sweet to these old Chevys, if you know what I'm saying. You gotta.
You just hit it to where it came off.
You gotta push down a little bit and boom. Cleanest 305 you'll see out here, alright?
Swears by it. No more problem.
Don't be hitting my lights now. You got any wire strippers?
I actually found like a knife or something.
Well, I didn't carry a light.
I said a knife.
A light, a knife, a knife. Saw blade? Yeah, it should work. Great. Freaking smart, Logan.
Yeah, that is not working.
This thing's so cool.
Okay, that's blue.
Yeah, they're
Holy
blue.
crap, that's bright.
Okay, you can take it off now. You're gonna roast them.
So all we have left to do is just hook up all the batteries and stuff like that, so.
I have a feeling I'm doing something wrong here. I guess I'm gonna find out.
Oh my gosh.
Dang it!
We should have really unplugged everything before we actually plugged in this. Ooh. Ooh. That is like the most unsafest way to do this. Don't lick your fingers.
Well, it's only a 12-volt battery. It can't hurt too bad. Alright.
It's gonna shock you.
No, it's not. Look. Watch this. Make sure I'm not touching the metal. Yeah! Blowing fuses and shit.
Is it actually shocking you, or is it just like... Uh-oh, it's smoking.
It's just a plastic. Yeah, probably should undo the battery.
Oh, it's still smoking.
Oh, that bitch is hot.
Yeah, we need to undo it.
We probably need to pull that out really quick.
Yeah, we probably should. Oh, goodness. Dude, look at how hot it got. It got, like, pink on the outside.
We just melted that into it. Alright, yeah. So, negative? These come out? Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we really should have done in the first place.
Nah. Just experimentation.
Experimentation.
As long as the truck starts and drives, I don't need nothing else.
Oh my goodness.
Fun fact. Negative before positive, burn fuses and melt shit. Stuff.
So for future reference, take the battery and unconnect it. Or this happens. I can't believe it burnt it that bad, dude.
Just a minor setback.
A minor setback. Golly, that is just crazy. Quick trip to the Walmart because Hunter decides to burn everything up.
I'm just gonna use the light switch like a house, like a residential house switch.
So the plan is to go back home and run a light switch.
I have the load and the power ran into one wire, so run that.
So we're gonna make it work,
and then run the ground to a negative, and basically that's on and off. So
I expected to put out a bigger flame.
Watch.
What are you supposed to do?
A little help.
Oh my gosh.
It's a crack light.
They're only $4. It's like a really cheap crack light. Whoa!
I don't want to touch that one. It hurts me.
Golly, that's a freaking torch. It's not like you've done anything today other than blow stuff up. And then we make a wasteful trip to Walmart.
It took us 4 hours to hook those rock lights up. Not even us, me, because you worked on the stripe on your car.
Dude,
it doesn't even look good.
It does look good. I mean, I think it looks good. It's freaking 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Dude, people are gonna.
I got work at 6 in the morning. I gotta finish putting 10 on the rest of this building. Of course, you don't want to come help me.
Look, there's a cop right there. Maybe we'll get pulled over. Oh, dude, I have my wheel lights on. If he pulls me over,
I'm gonna record it the whole time. I'm gonna record it the whole time.
I mean, considering you're already recording.
Sexual harassment.
Where did that come from?
You just gotta spice up the truth sometimes.
I don't know. I feel like he's behind us right now. Is that him?
Of course he's behind us.
Well,
If you saw him pull out, then.
No, I don't think he pulled out, but I don't know. I'm scared right now, honestly, because I never turned my wheel lights off when we left Walmart.
Well, guess what? If you didn't have wheel lights, we wouldn't be having to worry about this problem.
I mean, I'm not worried about it because.
Yeah, because it's your ticket, not mine.
Okay.
I don't care.
No, see, that changes the story. No, I'm talking about I have dark illegal tint and aftermarket pipes and all that. So he's gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna write you a ticket for pipes and tint, and for, oh, look at these little colorful light things on your wheels. Like, he's gonna be like, ticket.
If he says something like that,
I'm just gonna accept the ticket and pay it.
I'm gonna die.
I don't even care.
I'm gonna argue about it, Blake.
We're gonna go to
Do
court.
I know you? Is there a reason you pulled me over today? Walks up to the window. Do you know why I pulled you over today?
Because you failed the fire academy.
You failed the fire academy, and I let you. Joke's
Dude,
on you, pal. These are my screets. It's hard for a pimp in a screets. You're for this truck.
Did you just say residential?
Yes, this is residential. If it was like an O'Reilly's or a Lowe's, that. Dang it!
What'd you do?
I didn't tighten it up, dude. That's what I didn't do. I'm not a freaking electrician, alright?
What are you wiring it to? Oh my gosh.
I don't remember if this is ground or not.
No, dude. Oh, shit! Dude. Okay. I promise.
That's ground. What this spark is ground. Alright, excuse me. Sir? Alright. This is power.
Dude, you know I'm going to put a
Hold
bleep
on.
right there. Okay, so look, that's your power because it has this little
That's
extra
power.
cord. Why is this exploding?
Because I'm smart. That's why.
Okay.
I don't know.
Dude, it's probably like really hot right now.
Alright, I'm going to be honest with you. I need you to hold this for me. Actually.
I really don't want to hold anything.
Stop. I got this.
Oh, God. Like, I'm going to hold it to this. Oh, don't touch that. Why is it not working? Is there like a ground on here? Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm guessing... Wait, on.
Okay.
On is like...
Okay, this is just for...
Oh, look, you know what I noticed? On. No on. On.
Yeah, let's try it out. This is just for shits and giggles.
How's
Whoa, don't let me touch the freaking... Alright. If it's pops, I'm done.
We just need Garrett over here. Dude, it's on my hand. I'm holding the wire.
I can't see.
Can you see now? Who?
The lights on?
I don't know. I can't see. I'm trying to put it to where I can. Hold on. Oh, they're on!
Are you serious?
Dude, I swear. They were on!
Turn light on.
Okay. No. Hold on. Let's, like, wire it up first.
No!
Yeah,
This is temporary till I go to O'Reilly's.
I hope this works. It works! Alright, keep it plugged up. Let me look at it.
Do they look good?
Yeah, they look good, dude.
Does the other side work?
I'm pretty sure it works. Let's see. Heck yeah!